Welcome to our training on how to respond to an Amazon anti-counterfeiting policy violation. The tips we'll share in this video don't take the place of legal advice, so remember to consult a lawyer if you have any specific anti-counterfeiting questions. When you list products in the Amazon store, you'll need to comply with all applicable laws and Amazon policies. One of these policies is the Amazon Anti-Counterfeiting Policy, which helps ensure that all products offered for sale in the Amazon store are authentic. If we believe your account has violated the Amazon Anti-Counterfeiting Policy, we'll send you an authenticity-related violation. To review this and other performance notifications, select the menu icon in the top left corner of Seller Central. Hover over Performance and select Performance Notifications. You can also review performance information on your Account Health page. To get there, hover over Performance, select Account Health, and click Product Authenticity Customer Complaints. If we notify you of a violation, you should correct the behavior described in the notification. If you don't believe that you violated the anti-counterfeiting policy, submit an appeal as soon as possible. When you submit an appeal for an anti-counterfeiting policy violation, you'll need to submit copies of invoices from your suppliers. We'll use the documents you provide to verify the authenticity of your products. These invoices must include a clearly displayed issue date within the past 365 days and before you received the performance notification. Your sales volume for each ASIN over the past 365 days, each of the requested ASINs with all highlighted for clarity, and the contact information of your supplier, including a name, phone number, address, and website. We won't share this information with our retail team or other Amazon sellers. Any documents you provide must be authentic and unaltered. In other words, we won't be able to accept invoices that have been digitally manipulated. You can remove pricing information from the invoices, but make sure that all other information is visible and clear. Once you've gathered your invoices, return to the Account Health page. Select Product Authenticity Customer Complaints and click Appeal next to the policy violation. Here, you'll submit the requested documents by clicking the Select Files button or dragging and dropping the files into the available field. Select the checkboxes next to each requirement to confirm your documents meet them, and then click Submit. Once you've submitted the appeal, we'll review your provided documents. We might reach out to the supplier to verify your documents' information, and we'll always keep your supplier's information confidential. If your appeal is approved, we'll reinstate your listing. To review the Amazon Anti-Counterfeiting Policy, search Anti-Counterfeiting Policy in Seller Central. This concludes our training on how to respond to an Amazon anti-counterfeiting policy violation. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store.